Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Really just to highlight here, on the Sunday, things are quiet. Things haven't really moved. We're still moving sideways for Bitcoin. It's just trying to update here the chart. There you go. My view is still that from the high at 25.2K, we've come down in a wave 1, we've moved up in a 2, came down in a 3, moved up in a 4. We're now possibly coming down in 5, and I'm still waiting for one more low. What I cannot rule out is a short-term recovery that might even exceed here the $20,500 level. That swing high. I cannot rule that out. The problem is due to the messiness of this chart leaves a lot of room for interpretation. Some charts are fairly clear at the moment, some aren't. Bitcoin's isn't. So again, in terms of any trades or anything, I focus on the charts that give me more clarity. I would encourage everybody to think about the same. Why look at the Bitcoin chart, try to trade it when it's really just very unclear. Due to the, let's say, scenario, and due to the fact that we cannot count a clear low in place here, when the CPI data was released, due to that, I still have to assume that we will get one more low. I can't rule out that it will go up from here, but then there are other charts which I would rather focus on that actually show more potential and give me more confidence, right? Because Bitcoin doesn't really. Now, in the very short term here, Bitcoin has made possibly 5 waves down. Yeah, we talked about that yesterday, that one leg down more would be sort of ideal. And if it did, it would be a very short wave 5. But what this could just be the first wave, yeah, of that last low. Yeah, so if I'm really waiting here for one more low, and you hear the dog in the background, but if I'm waiting for one more low, then this would have been the first wave, possibly, of that 5th wave. Then there will be a wave 2 up, which could have just started now because we've broken back above the trend line. So we could see here a move up to the descending trend line. It could maybe bounce off that at around 19.4K and then come down in a 3rd wave, move up in a 5th, come down in a 5th, move down in a 3rd, and so on. So what this could really be off the wave B high, yeah, which reversed perfectly in my reversal area. We came down here then in a wave 1. That's how you could assume it. We're moving up in 2 now, coming down in 3 next, moving up in 4, coming down in 5. So there could be now a bit of a recovery. Yeah, wouldn't be surprised if we see that. As you know, we have here a little bit of a trend line that we can draw. We briefly broke it here in the end of last week, or end of this week, on Friday, end of the trading week. And again, I think we need to be ready that this could become quite a bit of a recovery here today, maybe a slight recovery day, because we can count 5 waves down as complete, but we haven't reached the price level yet that would have taken us below that low from the 13th of October. So I'm still waiting for that. So I have to assume this is only the first wave. A wave 1 consists of 5 waves, the first wave of that downturn. So yeah, be ready for a wave 2 recovery. I think we can assume that as long as we're holding above the 18,990 level, and I can give you just a rough target for that really. So let's say we could now without a problem get to the 38.2% FIB level. That's at 19,350. I think there is a chance to get there now, get rejected, or even stretch out to the 50% level at 19,470. All of this is at the moment not high confidence. It's weekend. Yeah, we're broadly still in the range. I think you get more clarity if you break out above the wave A high here at 19,232. But at the moment, this is not a very clear trade setup for me. So I'd still be a bit careful here with Bitcoin. But for, the message in this video is maybe short-term retracement to the upside, recovery, but the overall trend to the downside has not shifted yet. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.